How to select more than 50 mails at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to select more than 50 emails at once and then delete it? Then don't worry, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in. Open up your Gmail and then you can see that there is a selection option right here. So it will take a long time to delete it this way. What you need to do is you'll see a box right here. You have to tap on the drop down and then there you'll see all option. Go ahead and tap on all and there you go. All 50 conversation on this page are selected and you just have to hit the delete option and then everything will be deleted at once. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.